Oh yeah.
They've got the yeah, they've been made that wardrobe. I need more stick.
Yeah. All the ones that we got out.
Right.
Apparatus, but they kind of been superseded by the new good stuff. And then we also
See what happens. It gets closer.
it's like you have a ruler. One way you can flex it all if you switch and seeing the deflection of the beam. Everything else is all analog. So this one has a little, loads of different application. It's got hardness test, compressive test. Some we've been using to save a bit of material in the last teaching, but it, can elasticity and all that actually go along. The one behind the assessments for the first years, we are this year gonna look at the difference between compare the different impact to the different notches in the specimens and visual torsion test. So that's twisting, and that's kind of similar to the one we have up there. This one is technically, then we got 3 and 4's vibration. We got gyroscope here, and we got the center over here, Hertzian pressure. Found out in the last couple of years is they kind of need a bit. We kind of say once you've been in and actually done the experiments in the lab.
Because I mean, there's no force acting on it. Once it's left the nozzle, there's no force acting on it. So it's
Nice.
I think you're on a harmonic here because the table was rocking.
Doing ultrasonic testing and also eddy current testing, just floor analysis and also ultrasonic floor analysis. We have got equipment. It will pick up some of the lighter elements that the XRF won't pick up.
Some things we do have in here, and also what I did this morning was I put some flash paper around the edge there and sprayed some release agent on it. That means that we can get the
under the vacuum so that by allowing it to flow a little bit beyond.
We have mainly 3 things to actually
analyse an image, and each camera sees the same point and can then try. If you were doing structural testing on something, you might not be sure where it's going to break. Of the properties of fresh concrete, things like workability, and then they will make some samples. So in the original plans for the building, level 0 was all at one level. Large bed plate is currently occupied by a hexapod shaker. It's designed to gently ramp up and then gently ramp down. Carry half a tonne. Like that, so that's the bit that hits the sample. That one's designed for. Supposed to go upstairs with Jeremy on the first floor.
Thermodynamics type modules. We've kind of probably come into the worst room to start in. Over in the back corner there, we've got an air conditioning simulator. Might function. So you can use it as a whole unit combined, or we can look at just individual subcomponents. We brought over our old centrifugal fan. So we're getting, we want to work out how efficient the whole cycle is. Testing scale models. So there's the usual applications that you can do in cold those.
Materials and devices lab or facility. As the name suggests, in this area we make lots of nano actual fabrication group. So this is where a lot of the big machinery is housed, because once the chemicals currents times 10 to the minus 9 to the minus 12 and that kind of range through here can be nanoamps maybe even picoamps, depending on how delicate the channel is. And basically it means that the spectrum that we measure spectrum on top of each other, and as long as you don't get anything that's peaks significantly